In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute craziest tool that has come out in the past recent years that is absolutely changing the way I do business, at least. The tool is Google's new Antigravity. And even though you might have heard of it, I don't know if you really understand what you can actually do with this and what this actually means for any certain business. If you haven't heard of this, no problem. We will go through everything today of how to set it up, how to download it, how to create the skills, as what we call them, that you can use to do anything that you can wish in your business at an extremely high scale for free, which is absolutely insane. So today we're going to go through all of this step by step, and in the end you will know exactly how to do literally anything in your business with Antigravity, how to create any skill, how to have it create apps for you, whether you want to get a new enterprise level website, whether you want to write social media posts or create N8N automations and agents, whatever you could wish for, you can do with this. It's literally insane. So let's waste no more time. Let's get you the best tool there is out there from the past few decades. Here we go. So Google's Antigravity and AI skills. We're going to cover what is Antigravity, what are AI skills, how to download and install Antigravity, how to install skills, how to create literally any skill, and how to use this in your business with some examples in case you don't have any ideas what to do with this precisely, and going to get all links and resources that you need in the end. So you will be able to fully use this and fully weaponize this to build anything you want. Automations, websites of literally any kind at enterprise level, apps, any other business applications. This is literally insane. So let's get into this. What is Google's Antigravity? Google's Antigravity is a free AI-powered development platform built by Google DeepMind, and it is designed as the first agent-first IDE. So this means that the AI agent does the work and not you. Previously, with like other coding models, with other IDEs like VSC from Microsoft, you had to do the heavy lifting and you had to actually do the coding, and then you were able to use agents on the side to assist you with the coding. Now with this, the agent is doing all of the work and you're only there to tell it what to do and how to do it. You don't have to understand code. Previously, you had to understand code to a certain level, now not anymore. And you can still do the same things highly professional coders can. So literally insane. Yeah, so you just describe whatever the hell you want and the agent builds it for you. This is based on VS Code. It's at the exact same interface, just some added AI capabilities based on Google's latest models. It is powered by Gemini 3 Pro. It is available for any interface or for any operational system you have. It is free during the preview. It only requires a Gmail account, so you can use everything in this for absolutely free, which is insane. This agent can plan, write, test, debug, iterate, anything you want. First, let's download this. If we go here, then we have the Antigravity download link. By the way, I will be giving you this document in the video description. You can just go there and all of the resources and so on will be linked down below. So you go to this link and you just look for the interface you have, the system you're working on, and then you just download that. So for me, that would be Windows. And after you've downloaded this, you can open it up and it will look about like this. And if you now hit Control and L on your keyboard, you can open up the agent. And in this agent, you can do anything. It has crazy models, the latest Gemini 3.1 models. I have used all of my quota on this already. Claude models, even GPT, crazy stuff. And it works the same as VSC. If you've ever used VSC, this has the exact same extensions. So the extra functions you can use in this as VSC has, it is literally exactly the same. So now for us to start coding and to actually get into the crazy stuff that will enable us to do literally anything we want, we need to create a new folder. So we're going to hit File, and then you say Open Folder. And then wherever you want to have this on your PC, you just create a new folder. So for me, I created this code thing. Then you select this folder. And then it will pop up here, this new folder. I already have some stuff in there, but for you, this will be empty. So you have this code folder here. And now, how this will work is that there's something called skills. Now let's head back to the doc to see what skills are, which is the tool that will actually enable us to do anything. So skills are downloadable or self-programmable capability packages for AI agent. Each skill gives the AI a specific set of instructions, workflows, or scripts, so it knows exactly how to handle any given task. So basically, a skill is a tutorial you give to the agent, a guideline you give, and a guideline you create on how to do literally anything you want. For example, a guideline on how to create websites. Let's say you are a web design agency and you have to create a bunch of websites therefore, and you like to go for a really professional but minimalistic and futuristic style at the same time with a certain color palette. Then you'd create the skill, and in the skill you would tell them exactly how to go about creating websites. So first, maybe analyze some other links you have of the business to extract the color palette and the vibe of your client. Then set up a foundational structure for how the website will look like. And you go down this list basically until in the end to creating this whole website. And this is what a skill basically is. It's basically an agent that can do something, or a knowledge base that your agent can use to then create anything. And you can create skills for creating websites, for creating apps, for writing any social media posts, for creating automations and agents and N8N. Literally anything you can think about, you can do with this. And doing this is very simple. You just have to head back here and you tell your agent on the right hand side, basically just head back here, and then you have to create a new folder inside the folder you already opened. So you open a new folder and you call this .agent, right? So for me this already exists right here, .agent. And then in this agent folder, you say new folder again, and you call this new folder skills, so that the agent in here knows this agent on the right, which we'll be using to create anything, knows that he will find any skills here. And then any skills you want to create, you go to this skills again, and you create a new folder and call this any skill. And the first one we will create is the creating skills skill. So this is a skill that will be used by the agent to create any new skills, meaning you just have to set up this one single skill, create this once, and then whenever you tell the agent on the right here, literally wherever you are in this interface, whenever you tell the agent on the right here to create a new skill, it will use this list to create the perfect new skill for whatever you want to do, whether that's writing websites or apps or whatever. And this is the exact prompt, the exact code you need for this skill creator. This as well will be linked down below in the video description where you can get all of the resources. So inside your creating skills folder, you say new file, which is this one right here, and you just call this skill.md. For me as well this exists again, but you will just call this skill.md. And then in the new skill.md file, you just paste in this whole thing, which again I'll be giving you in the video description. And this is all you need to do. This is all you need to set up. And from this point on, whenever, literally wherever you are, in whichever code you are, as soon as you go to this agent here and say create a new skill, but I'll go here and create a new skill that will be used to create high quality business apps, and you just hit enter, then it will just go and analyze the skill.md file which we've just created. You don't have to mention it anything. If you want to be sure, you can say, hey, look at the skill.md file to create this, but it will do that on its own. And now it will go ahead and in our creating skills folder, or in our skills folder in general, it will just create this new skill for making these apps. And as I said before, you can do this for literally anything. Really, your creativity is the limit. Your sky's the limit. You can do this for anything. And the crazy thing is that you have Gemini 3 and all of the best models already in here. So it has just given us the plan for what he wants to do. I'm not going to read through all of this. I'm just going to approve it. And now sometimes this pops up. Granted, Antigravity is relatively new. It's only a few months old. And the agent as well is relatively new. So there are still some bugs. It is still not perfect at every angle, and sometimes this error happens that just servers are experiencing high traffic. Then you just wait a few seconds and you say try again. Then that works. You have to accept some of the steps he does, and now you can see that it just popped up here. So you go to accept all because he is done, and then you have this creating business apps skill up here, which has another skill.md file. And in here is the exact instructions and skills for how to create any apps. He will use this to create any apps that you tell him to create. So now he's not done doing all of this. So I will continue to accept what he's saying here. But now once he's finished with all of this, we can just go into the agent over here whenever we want and say to create a new app for anything. Create a new app for our customer interface on our customer side, create a new app for like our dashboard, create a new app for whatever you want to create an app for. It will use the skill to create the app and it will turn out highly professional apps. Of course, then whatever you want to change, so it's done now. Oh no, it's actually asking me to create a sample. I'll just say go ahead, so I can show you instantly. So the only thing you have to do now at any point is explain the app you want to build, and then just hit enter and let it run, and the app will be built. And then there's only a couple of things that you have to do in the backend, like create the database and so on, which he can show you how to do as well. You can just ask him, how can I do this? And he will help you to the best of his abilities to do that. But the entire design of the app with login systems and whatever will be done by this agent. So you see how powerful this is. You can just go ahead and think about anything you need help with, whether that's creating automations and agents or websites or apps or social media posts or whatever for. You just create the skill for it once, and then for eternity, you can create any apps or any in that direction just by saying, hey, please do this for me. Yeah, which is just insane. And if you have a Claude Pro subscription, so you have Claude Code, then inside this document I have a detailed breakdown for you as well on how you can use Claude Code skills with this inside, because the cool thing is we can just go over here to the extensions, and in the extensions tab just search for Claude Code, and then you will see Claude Code for VSC. You can just install this, and then when you get back to your editor, wherever, you will see this little Claude icon up here that you can click, and then you need to sign into Claude Code, and then you will be able to use Claude Code with any of the Claude skills and so on right there. So if you're interested in that, then there's a full breakdown of this here. As well, in here I've created a full breakdown for you on how to create any skill, how these skills work in particular. This is for if you want to understand them a bit better and maybe create them and write them yourself. But you don't need that really, as you can just go ahead and tell him create this new skill and he will just create this new skill. And if you need any ideas on what you can do with this, I have some listed for you here, plus a rough estimation of how much time this will save. For example, you can create workflows for onboarding. I've made a video as well on how to create an N8N automation to do your onboarding. You can just write these automations in here as well. Just say, hey, I need an N8N automation, an N8N agent for this and this and that, and I want to include these and these apps, and this is how it should work. Then it will create the agent based on the skill you have to create for this, and then you can just copy paste the JavaScript code into your N8N and it will have the entire workflow ready. You can do this for content creation, social media posts, with ad copy, email campaigns, even create images. As Nano Banana is linked to this, you can even create images with this, which I have done here as well. Let me see if I can find them. Yeah, here are some images. Now granted, they're not really professional, I just did this to try it out, but Nano Banana 2 is in here, so you can create images for your social media posts with this. You can build any coding, any app. You can build your own CRM with this. Like literally insane what you can do with this. And then in the end, here are any links you could need for downloading, for a even deeper guide if you want to understand how to use the whole platform and not just the skill creator. And I've put some extra tutorials and custom skills, for example, N8N skills that you can use to get some ideas, to get some inspiration on what you can create and do with this. So let's head back to Antigravity and look into the app he has created me. So you can see this whole code and this whole folder hasn't been here before. This is all what he created. And now let's open this with our browser to see what he created. Here, the SaaS dashboard. And then let's see. Holy shit, this is the app it just created. The entire with a cool graph. We can interact with this. We can see customers, deals, analytics, settings. Now, as we go through here, I notice that I can't click on any of these. So we could now just go ahead and say, hey, as of right now, I can't click on anything. So please create the whole app so I can click on other things as well. And you could do that. You don't even have to know a single line of code to generate apps like these on websites. I will be doing a full tutorial in the future as well on how to actually create websites with this, which is totally insane as well. But for now, I just want you to understand how to create the skill that can create any other skill by just putting the creating skill, just copy pasting the creating skill template in here, and then literally just telling him over here to create any skill you want and then build with this anything you put your mind to. I myself can't comprehend how insane this is. It is not ready yet. Yes, sometimes it bugs a bit. Sometimes it does some weird things. Like for example, this search icon up here should probably be down here. So it's not perfect yet. It is just a beta. But what it can already do is beyond, literally. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can go ahead and watch this video on your screen right now. Any templates and anything you need for this video is linked down below. It's the first link in the video description. I'll see you over there. Goodbye. Have a nice one.